everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I'll do unboxing of this new beautiful 2023 electric bicycle RAEV GT model. They also come in different models with options, different battery, like to attach second battery as well. You can check link in description, and I'll do unboxing video. Also I'll do assembly. Alright, let's see what is inside. So basically looks like it's well packed so far. Looks good. Big box with some tools, charger, everything looks good. Okay, so let's see what's inside of this small box. The fender, manual with some tools. Also it does have this nut and a bolt. I think this one is for the fender. Okay, and some spacers inside. Come with a charger. Should be charger over here. Yep, it's a charger. Let's see how big the charger is. It's 3 amp charger, which is great. It comes nice, great headlight. Feels like glass, so it looks like motorcycle headlight. Really great. And nice pedals. I'm gonna cut it on the side over here, as I sometimes do, so it will be easier, because the bicycle, it should be heavy to pull it out like this. So cut it on the side, from both sides. Make sure you will not cut the bicycle. And now you can just drop it. That's how the bike looks inside the box. So first I would remove the plastic from this side of the wheel, and also this plastic, you don't need it, okay? Then you can remove this cover, you don't need it either, it's good to remove right now. Now I would remove this nut with a washer, so it will be easy to insert the wheel. Now I would lift the fork with one hand and insert the wheel with another. And it would sit right there, very easy. And then I would open this stand and let it stand by itself. And now I would reattach the washer on top first, and then the nut. And I would use my fingers to tighten up first, and I'll do from another side as well. My next move will be to attach the handlebar. Before attaching, you have to remove this bracket, so you have to remove these 4 bolts. Once you remove the 4 bolts, you remove the bracket. Bring this handlebar up. Make sure you attach correctly, like this. The display will be on the left side. For some reason it was on, so I'm gonna turn it off just in case. Okay. And you would reattach all these 4 bolts back. First I'll use my fingers, and then I'll use a tool. I recommend not to tighten the bolt until you sit on the bicycle and feel the correct position of the handlebar, because you can move the handlebar too close to you or further, so it will give you better position sitting. Also, I probably will remove right now this reflector, since it just takes extra space, and I already have headlight. I don't think I need it. So next I'll use this bolt, okay, to attach the mudguard. So you would just insert the mudguard like this. Insert this bolt. Let's see. And actually it's screw in, so you just screw this bolt in. And then you take this spacer, put behind, and use this nut to tighten in. And now it's time to attach the headlight. You can move headlights up or down, it's all up to you, by unscrewing these two screws on the both sides. So first you would need to remove these two bolts from both sides over here. Okay, this hex key. So you would remove from one side, same thing from another side. And then with the cable down, you would attach it. So I loosen these two bolts from both sides, so I move it closer and then reattach now from both sides with the bolt I removed. And you do this on both sides. And now you need to attach this cable. I'm not sure if it's correctly. I will post it right underneath, and you would have to match arrow to arrow. Is the cable right over here underneath? It's hard to find it, but it's right here. And you just push from both sides once you match the arrow to arrow, and it should be like that. And now it's time to attach the pedals. You'll find letter on the pedals right to the right and left letter to the left side. So it should be pretty simple. You just attach with your hands first. You can do like this, most likely. Or use a wrench. And then you do the same thing on the other side. Assemble the bike. The tire was actually over pumped, so I reduced some pressure in the tires. I recommend to use about 15 on the front if you're riding on the regular road, and about 20 on the back. But again, the tires can hold up to 30 psi, and it's all up to you how you want to pump it. You can probably do from 6 to 30 psi on tires. I charge the battery. The battery can be charged on the bike or off the bike. It comes with a key over here. You can simply insert the key and slide the battery out. Very simple. And I want to show you how large the bike is. It's a little bit smaller than I expect, but it's still fun and very comfortable to sit on it. As you can see, I'm not sure how the pedaling will be. I'm gonna go for the first ride today, and so far it looks good. What do you guys think? The headlight looks like it's pretty bright. Handlebar very comfortable. The look is amazing. This one is a Bullet GT model with single battery, 20 amp battery, and they have an options to have a dual battery, which will be 28 amp battery. If you buy single one, you can also attach later on. It has also mounting right over here. I believe they will offer kind of upgrade, so you can buy a separate battery later on if you need to. Alright, so now I will show you how to set up the speed change. So you press the power button for a few seconds. It will be on. It usually comes in mode number 1. So you press this plus and minus. Then you press power and minus at the same time. Then you'll see LD. It's a wheel diameter. Don't change it. It's not gonna change anything. And then you press one more time power sign. It will change to LS. And this is a speed. Usually it says to 30, I believe 32. So you just press plus until it hits 40. And once you hit the 40, you just press power button and hold it until it's returned back. Now it's set to 40. If you need to change the light display so it will be brighter, you press minus and plus, and then you press power one more time, and you will see this sign, and then you can change light. Like 1 it will be kind of dark, and then 2 will be brighter, and 3 will be very bright. So I keep it on the 2 actually. And the light is only work when the headlights is on as well. And then you can also change miles to kilometers, or kilometers to miles. So you will see U, and you press plus sign, it will change to kilometers. And then when it's 1, it will change to mile. And if you want to reset trip, you will see like letter over here, or I'm not sure, just a sign like this. You just press plus or minus, it will change to Y. Once it turns to the Y, it means yes. You press and hold the power button and it will return back. I'm gonna make future videos as well, so don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. It's look a little bit larger on the picture, but actually it's not as large as you could see, but still a lot of fun to ride. And you can check link in description if there are any discounts available and for current price, because the price sometimes change. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.